What's up everyone? On this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly foam roll your hamstrings for athletic performance and better mobility. Now the first thing you have to know about your hamstrings is just like the gastrocnemius or your calves, they too have two heads. So you need to work the middle of your hamstring and then the lateral side of your hamstring to get the best out of your foam rolling activity. Now the one thing you need to know about hamstrings is hamstring tightness is quickly becoming a pandemic worldwide. Because people are sitting so often, your hamstring muscles are now shortening, which creates pull on the pelvis, which can eventually lead to lower back pain. So for that reason, people that sit at work often or sit a lot in general, doing foam rolling on your hamstrings is going to be one of the most beneficial and crucial things that you can do for your overall health and function. Now the hamstrings do two primary functions. It flexes the knee and also extends the hip. This is your hamstring. What it does is it flexes the knee and it can extend the hip. So those are the two primary functions of the hamstring. So when you're first starting with your hamstrings, this is your medial side on the right leg. This is your lateral side right here. So when you're first beginning, if you want to just start going back and forth here and finding spots that might feel tender to you, find that spot. So right here, that's for me. And I'm just going to sit here for about 5 to 10 seconds until I start feeling that quote-unquote knot rolling out. Now what a lot of people like to do is they kind of like to do this number. I'm not the biggest fan of that. I like to find it and just kind of let it mellow out, if you will. So I find that spot and just roll over it. Now from there, when I'm good with the medial side, I'll externally rotate my leg and I'll go to the outside or the lateral side and find spots that might be tender. And same thing, I'll find a spot, sit on it for about 5 to 10 seconds or however long it really takes to get that spot out. And then from there, I'll go to the next leg. Now, if you want to advance this, take your other leg, bring it on top, and that'll add more weight to it and a little bit more pressure to make it a little bit more advanced. Only when you're ready, go ahead and try that out. But always remember to switch to the other side and do the lateral and medial side there as well. Now for athletes who want to roll out their hamstrings, this is very beneficial for those who want explosive power, so box jumping, doing any kind of Olympic activity on the track or on the field, just really getting a lot of boom and excitement from your get-go. So by doing that to your hamstrings, it allows for more power, better function through your hips, especially if you're a baseball player. If you're trying to take a cut or a swing, you can push off that back foot a little bit harder. But even just for anybody who wants to be better in general, even the people that are at work and they're sitting too often, take a break, do some foam rolling here and there. And I tell you what, that'll take a lot of pull and stress off your low back by just doing that alone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the other videos here up. I'm going to be linking to the other lower extremities, and then later I'm going to be doing upper extremities so it'll all tie in together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do and you enjoy these kind of things as far as athletic performance, fitness, nutrition, weight loss, longevity, and the areas to try and make your life as great as possible, please comment, subscribe, like my video. It really helps me get these out to more people just like you who want to learn and get better every day. Thanks so much guys, and I appreciate your support.